Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a update on an interesting situation. So it all started way back in August 30th. There was a cumulative update for one specific version of Windows 10, version 1903, May 2019 update. That created for some users a problem where the search UI was giving 100% CPU usage. So the PC became really slow, and of course was always throttling the processor at maximum speed. A lot of users reported this. It is, of course, still a minority of users, but there's enough users that started hearing about that problem. They acknowledged that there was a problem. They at least that part did work. They said, "Oh, we're sorry. Yeah, there's a problem there." When they issued the cumulative update for Patch Tuesday, one of the things they said is, "Oh, we fixed it now." And what happened is, okay, we are supposed to have that fixed with the latest security updates. But that did create another issue, and it created an issue where some people say that the start menu stopped working and the search stopped working, and basically it's there's been a lot of reports. Well, kind of interesting because they aren't saying that there's a problem. They say that everything's fixed and everything's all right, which is kind of, what the hell, really? So, of course, the resolution here that says, at this time, Microsoft has not found a search or start issue significantly impacting users originating from the KB4515384 update, which is Patch Tuesday update. So they will continue to monitor and ensure users have high quality experience. So it's interesting because some people did report it here on my channel that they had that happening, and I actually posted a video of people having that issue and telling them, remove 4515384. So once again, this I think is a very interesting way of seeing Microsoft kind of, I don't know, not in the real world like we are, and not seeing some of the problems that are on the that are there on Windows. So of course this is only for version in 1903. If you're not there yet, you can wait. If you're on 1903, most of you are having no issues, but if you're in the minority that do have a problem, KB4515384 is the update to remove from your PC. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.